Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to buy V-Bucks with a prepaid Visa card. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on this website known as gamehack.com. So the price is paid in a form of a prepaid card. So check how to activate it in their previous tutorial. I'll put it in the description down below. So after activating your card, just log in into Fortnite and enter the store. Now just choose the V-Bucks package that interests you, then confirm your choice. After that, just select the card option as the payment method, which is going to be your Visa prepaid card in this case. So just copy the details of your prepaid card and enter it, then complete your billing data in the order. Now just confirm the order, and after the order has been processed, it will be automatically returned to the store's website, and the V-Bucks will be added to your account in the game. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.